Hi guys. This case is about maintenance in irrigation water station case solution. Friction losses. The loss of head due to friction happens via the pipes, elbows, drippers, joints, pipes, pump components, and flanges. Such losses can be calculated using the Darcy-Weisbach equation or the William-Hazen formula Mahmoud and Hussein 174. Besides, the manufacturer's specifications of the components can be used to estimate the losses. Moreover, for those systems with an average distribution uniformity of above 87%, nearly half could still be identified as having issues of maintenance, which had an opportunity to be corrected to make their distribution uniformity better. The most critical component of an efficient irrigation system is system maintenance. During the intensive irrigation system, it is argued to be the optimum period to program system maintenance. System maintenance is vital for all types of irrigation systems. The only difference that emerges is the time required or allocated to do the task and the type of irrigation system used. The irrigation pump. There is a need to clean primary filters located in the pump and the secondary filters on the irrigation pump, which are always located in the field. Further, there is a need to backwash to eliminate any organic or any other particulate matter. When one uses sand as a filter, there is a need to ensure that the sand is not caking. It is also vital to ensure that the correct type of filter is used for the corresponding type of debris in the respective water source. Moreover, the gauges should always be replaced in around 3 to 5 years, generally because their dependability reduces as the gauges age. Furthermore, it is recommended that a pressure gauge be installed before and after the filters. It is also essential to ensure regular monitoring of pressure regulating valves to ensure that they provide the exact required pressure, which can be achieved by counter-checking it with a new pressure gauge.
Thanks for watching this video. For more case studies, please visit our website, TheCaseSolutions.com. Also like and subscribe our channel The Case Solutions.